How do you even start videos? How do videos start? I don't understand it. Videos just, do they happen? Do they happen with no effort? Hey everybody, I'm BaconNinja and welcome back. It is a work day for me, and if you wonder how I get my stick time in during the week, this is how. I make time after work to come out in the blazing hot sun and fly quads. It is almost 100 degrees outside today. The sun is in full view, and that's cool because today we're going to mess with something a little bit new. I'm going to try out some ND filters. So I run a GoPro Hero 5 Black usually with no stability. That's the GoPro I just happen to own. And I've never tried an ND filter on it. So if you look at my other flight videos, there's some overexposure and there's not really a lot of motion blur, and I'm not down with that look, honestly. I kind of hate it. But there's not a lot I've been able to do. So I picked up a 3-pack of Tellinson ND filters that go on the front of my Hero 5. And I'm going to go just do a little rip session, my after work normal Wednesday rip session that I do for about an hour. And we're going to play around with some ND filters. In other news, I brought a hitchhiker with me today to my flight session. He's chilling out on my mirror. See that spider? I don't know if you can see it. He's scared. He's very, very scared right now. But he's up there in the corner, just hanging out. Spidey McWeberson over there. Just chilling. He hung on to like 50-mile-an-hour wind while I drove here. I don't know. He's like super sticky or something. Anyway, let's go play with quads and ND filters and see what happens. So as per usual, it's super freaking windy. It's always super freaking windy here in the plains of Texas. Always. All times. Super windy. So my audio is going to be garbage. I know that. I'm sorry. Anyway, these are the ND filters that I got. It's a little 3-pack that has a 4, an 8, and a 16. I don't have a 32, and it's pretty freaking sunny out here. So I'm thinking that I'm probably going to need the 32, but I'm gonna do some exposure tests with my GoPro and see what I think I need. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna wind up with the 8 or the 16. Probably the 16, because it, like I said, is super sunny. I am using some settings that I kind of bummed off of Ladrib on his channel. You know, Ladrib, Rotor, Riot, cool guy. Definitely an inspiration for why I'm flying today. So I bumped some settings off of his newer GoPro settings he recommends, and that's what I'll be flying. Basically, I got the ISO limited to 400. I've got the shutter speed at 1/60th. I'm shooting at 2.7K, 30 FPS. Yeah, essentially the white balance is auto. I got Pro Tune on, all that good stuff. That's what we're going to be shooting at, and now I'm going to go mess with some ND filters and fly quads. That's what you're here for, so let's go do that. First pack, this is with an ND 16 on it. Just basically a warm-up pack, so nothing too crazy.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that limit squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong.
Yeah, so apparently I found my first tree of the day. At least I started out with that. Alright, well, that was fun. That was a good warm-up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably just going to fly around a little bit more and play around, and then I may do some rewinds and probably some inverted yaw spins, try to work on those a little bit. That's how I'm going to spend my after work session, trying to work on a couple of basics and skills. Maybe I'll just do some half rolls, see if I can lock that horizon in, try to get all that stuff done, and then play around a little bit more. So come along.
Funhouse active, yeah, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lit, yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm bringing out. Young nigga got a fetish for success. If I ain't next, then I just leave impression. Next to rain on the window pane, puffin' plain Jane. Let them second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the porcelain skin. Grip the wheels, let the horses just spin. Why they trash, another chore on my list. Out of this orbit, I soar with the pen. I'm eating good, Miss Caloric as shit. I sipped the potion and poured it in. I on the tide when she poured it. Opportunity, knock at the door, then I grin. They rush for the doors, then they open like bliss. Pin stroke, game cold as the fridge. Sound wave for like more than the clicks. Cowabunga, search the word for my shit. Ayy, wait. Been gritty, don't pity, they fool thing with me, been real, fuck trending, I'm hype, I'm litty, been this since scrimmage, don't play game with me, I volley these hits like I play tennis, I dreamt this shit, now I live it, don't pitch me, I live here at the top of the titty, said I run this shit, how I jot it with the pistol, body flop with the vision, jaw drop when I spit it off top, little bitch, need at least 7 figures, catch the fade when they jit me, bet I'll count it down to the penny wave, ay, heavy is all on my mind, I've gotta make that end it, wait, bet I might spark that wildfire, rebel when I breach, funhouse active. King of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm bringing out. Funhouse active, yeah, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm bringing out. I just might crash it, really I'm passing. Running for the mash, I just need cash me. I just want passion, love attraction. Let me know that shit. When I was active, I just might crash it. Really I'm passing, running for the mash. I just need cash me. I just want passion, love attraction. Let me know that shit. Charge on its last light. Same clothes I'm from last night. Still lit like it's last night. Young living in the fast life. Young. Smoke cloud from the hash pipe. Catch air from the half pipe. I need a centerfold from the shows with the mansion. Chandelier dancing. Counting a Branton. Yeah. Been had hella francs, man, it's ballpark figures. Might be in the field, but I came from the trenches. You can tell it's my time, look at that it's quick. I do like the charm on my wrist, let me glitch. Want me pay the way, I'm the wave, I'm authentic. Sitting courtside, got a sprain, nigga. I run the gang for the gang. Nothing but a thing when I sing. Young Usain, I sprinting. Getting fresh prints. Counting a blessing on blessing on blessing. They call me the reverend, y'all nigga play too much. I've been so gone off the braces, I end my hiatus by sparking that flame. Shit, y'all niggas stay in your lane. Young entertain. I'm next to rain, the fuck is you saying? Out of my brain, not from this planet. Hide from the cameras, high up the energy sent to me. From the enemy, that's the advantage. By doing this damage, a counted advantage. I buy you my nemesis. This is my genesis. I never had privilege.
Well, if you couldn't tell how that ended up, that was my second tree of the day. That tells you something about this, doesn't it? My Wednesdays normally go this way. Here you go. I seem to have a bit of quad and tree symptom. So I'm gonna walk back to my car now and we're gonna talk about it, but I'm gonna go get my bucket of rescue crap. Here we go with my rescue equipment. Alright, I've got my bucket of stuff. And that bucket of stuff includes a rope and a weight. And that bucket of stuff is about to get my quad out of this tree. I think, I hope, anyway. You know what, we're gonna try drop kicking this tree. Nope. tree not only tried to eat my quad, it tried to eat my rescue equipment. I had to beat it up a little bit. Now I got to change props. Every time.
I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. Back in the cut like a scratch, never acting, I never been. Short on my words while you're holding your breath like an asthma attacking him. Why are you testing me? Can't be investing no time in this. Team so focused, we are ballin' the butter rim. I used to pull forward, addicted down my stomach all in a twist. I had to dish the cup, yeah, now I got those water bottles in. I had some real dark days, now things are looking real positive. Ones who I peel part ways, I don't need no parts of friends. I guess that's how the game goes. Lifestyle getting real. Lifestyle is a handful. I'm a one, only one dog. That's a fact, that's a case closed. Do roll, then I lay low. Wake up and do it every day. Nah. Come around like rah. Talking all that blah, blah, blah. I've been scoring, cheap deals, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. I've been scoring, cheap deals, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. You talk that talk, but you never do. That's waste. You can fool your fam, you can fool the gram, never fooling me. That's fake. I don't trick tricks, all money in for the legacy. I am great. Heard you got the drip, that's temporary. Where's your assets? Oh wait, that's real talk. Full plate, that meal talk. I've been building for the past 5, breaking ground, that's drill talk. Let's wait. Real loss. Heard you talking on the pill talk. Wanna be like your favorite rapper, but your favorite rapper feeling real off. Made 3-piece, that's back to back like Drizzy now. We the champs, going back to back like Mike and them. They sleeping on me like Vicodin. No weakness.
Alright, well that's all the packs I brought. That's 7 for the day. Some with the ND filter, some without the ND filter. I'm gonna go home and look at the footage and see what I think about it. I've never run an ND filter before, so it's all new to me. Let's see if it really made a difference. I'm thinking, based on what I've read and what I've watched, it probably did. But yeah, let me go check it out and we'll talk about it. Alright, so I got a little busy last night and didn't get to talk about the ND filters. The cat's escaping. Anyway, so I thought I'd just sum it up tonight. All in all, I really like the look of the NDs. They really added some nice motion blur. I think I really want to keep using them. It was probably a little too bright for an ND16. I really need a 32. I'll probably get one of those to throw on there. It's normally that bright around here until like 7:30 at night, and I never really fly that late. Just because family and work and things. So I'll probably get an ND32 and that'll help a little bit. And I need to get some good LUTs. So if you got any recommendations on good LUTs that don't cost a fortune, drop me a comment below. I'd really love any ideas for LUTs that don't cost $100 for a pack. Because I am not a colorist. So I'm not going to be able to figure that stuff out on my own. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys hanging in there for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed all of it. I hope you liked the format. I hope you enjoyed the flying, even though it's really subpar. And I hope you guys come back. Thank you all very much, and I'll catch you next time.